Welcome back to the channel. Coming to you with some ICP on the charts. ICP had a push up, rally up to $2.63 back on April 7th. And what it was, on April 7th, Mission 70 approved. Big governance win. The NNS approved Mission 70, which drastically cuts ICP inflation. Target list 70% by the end of 2026. Node provider rewards slashed. Gen 1 nodes already cut by 40%. Excuse me. Voting rewards adjusted. This is a major step towards making ICP more deflationary and attractive long term. The Arizona bill proposes ICP as state reserve asset on April the 5th, 2025. Arizona introduced legislation to include ICP alongside Bitcoin and XRP in a strategic digital asset reserve fund. This is a significant institutional regulatory milestone. Real-world adoption gain. ICP and CKBTC now accepted at 137 SPAR supermarkets in Switzerland. Strong growth in on-chain AI, caffeine AI updates, and decentralized cloud usage. ICP recently led CoinDesk 20 with a positive 12.1 gains. In one session, I'm in market rallies. Other highlights include continued push into sovereign cloud partnerships with countries like Pakistan. High developer activity. ICP often ranks among the top blockchains for on-chain usage. And the current prices, we can see ICP trading around $2 to $2.50 range, with volatility tied to broader market settlement and these positive fundamentals. Overall settlement, we're bullish on the fundamentals due to tokenomics improvements and real adoption. Their price action remains choppy in the current market. So that's what we got on ICP. We had this push up. We left some imbalances down below us, looking to pull back and get some of these imbalances, especially this one that we're sitting at 5.13%, looking to somewhat, let me get over here and take this off. Oh, man. Oh. Looking to maybe do something like this. If we fall below this support line, we're going to come down before making our way back up, within this range up here, back to the top. And then looking to maybe just consolidate up here between these two ranges, depending on how Bitcoin does. We see a dramatic turn of events that pushes Bitcoin up higher. We could be headed much higher also. But that's some good news on ICP, and I wanted to bring that to you. Usually I go straight to Grok for anything that I need to find out. But like I say, we was currently ranging in this two range right here between 220 and 230. So I think we're going to move up from 230 to 250 range, maybe up to 260, making that range from down here, this becoming the new range. We could go right here, and then, somewhere along that, because we got this resistance level, we bring that into the support level, and we just range somewhere up here, or we could just range right in here for a little while till we see what Bitcoin is going to do. And then if we can get Bitcoin to rally, we'll move on up. And I'd say getting back up to our first level of resistance is going to be around $2.80. Want to bring that to your attention. And then our major resistance is up here at $2.86. So if we can get a push up, Bitcoin come in here, and we see a move, up, and then we come back down here and feel this imbalance a little bit, kind of work our way, up, get above, push up above this resistance right here. We could see ourselves coming all the way back up here around $2.86. Then from there we can see where we can go and what the market settlement looks like with Bitcoin. We really need something to happen with Bitcoin and for Bitcoin to push up hard. Not saying that, not necessarily saying that ICP is going to push up with Bitcoin, but it's pretty well correlated with Bitcoin. And it usually, when Bitcoin moves, it moves. So that's what I wanted to bring to your attention. But I do see us, first of all, coming back down here and touching this, feeling some of this imbalance. We could come our way back down to the trend line here. We could go right here and, rally up and then come back down, go back up to resistance up here, where we at right now, come back down, hit that support line again before moving on up. But that's what I see happening. We're gonna have a pullback before our next rally up. So you see it pulling back, don't panic. Just hold on. Just hold on. Just hold on. We can get over here, and I think I had a thing there. We got a crude oil. It's up today again, 2.29%. It's up $2.21, sitting at 98.71 a barrel. Brent crude is up $3.76, sitting at $98.96, up 3.95%. So we look over here. Let's update this. We're still sitting on the crypto fear and greed index. We're still in extreme fear, sitting at 12. The stock market's up like just in the fear right now. It's moved up. It's sitting at 40. So, and your VIX is below 20. That's really good. It's sitting at 19.414. That is good. But overall, we got Bitcoin sitting at 73,124. ETH is at almost right at $2,250. And Dogecoin is sitting at 0.927. BNB sitting at $607. Solana is moving up 2.22% at 83.91. But that's where we're at on the market. Overall fear and greed index on the market. Wanted to bring that to your attention also. And like I say, we're sitting at $2.45 right now. Way up on the day at $1.70%. We are doing pretty good. We did have we just been bouncing, as you could say. We just been bouncing. Could see a little rejection here. Like I say, come back, feel that balance, and we run much higher. And that's what I wanted to bring to your attention. Overall, these big W patterns, you could say, like right here, we got this, you might as well say you got it, and we rallied right on up, on that one. So I want to bring it to your attention. Just keep bringing it to your attention. Still a good time to get on ICP. Let's go to the weekly chart. Where did the ICP top out this time? in the bull run. Oh, I got to get rid of that. Get over here. ICP $20.99, about $21. $21, about an 8x down from a little over 8x down from where we at. So we've been kind of pulling back. You can see here, it's been following this trend line here since back here. Somewhat right there. And you could use that to say, hey, what could we might rally to? And that's somewhere around from the half up to 382. Somewhere around that area. And seeing that we could come up, we got this W pattern forming, we could swing up and just get back up here somewhere, get a rejection and come back down. Wanted to bring that to your attention also. But we need to break above $2.69 and hold that to confirm this breakout. Right there, $2.69. We confirm that. We get above that, we hit it up. We can swing back up and get back up above there and come back down and retest it. We hit it up, back up somewhere around $5-6. If you like the content, hit that like button. I need everybody that will hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel. Just don't come through and watch. Subscribe. Help me out. So if you like the content, like what you're seeing today, just hit that like button. Just help me out. Help Captain America out. And tell everybody else about Captain America channel. Bring you crypto updates much as possible. I don't come here on a regular basis, but I do more on the weekends. I do during the week. I'm like y'all that work. I have an everyday job, you know. So God bless you. And we'll see you on the next one.